The world of cryptocurrency is often a wild ride. Imagine a roller coaster. It climbs high very fast, then it can drop just as quickly. Bitcoin, the first big crypto, once shot up in value by nearly 2,000% in a single year. That is a huge jump. Think about it, if you put in a little money, it could have become a lot. This kind of news gets people very excited. They see a chance to make money quickly. It feels like a new frontier, a digital gold rush. Many people have heard stories of early crypto buyers becoming very rich. This makes the whole thing even more tempting for newcomers. But this big excitement also comes with big risks. Just as fast as prices can go up, they can also fall down. Sometimes they fall a lot. Imagine that same roller coaster taking a sudden steep dive. Your stomach drops. That feeling is similar to what crypto traders can experience. One day, your digital coins might be worth a fortune. The next, their value could be cut in half, or even more. This up and down movement is called volatility. Trading with your emotions is like driving a car while blindfolded. You might get lucky for a short while, but sooner or later you are very likely to crash. When feelings like fear or greed take control, they cloud your judgment. You stop thinking clearly. You start making decisions based on how you feel in the moment. This is a recipe for disaster in any kind of financial market. It is especially true in the fast-moving world of cryptocurrencies. Your heart might tell you to buy when everyone else is buying. Your head, if it were in charge, might ask, "Is this price too high?" Emotional trading in crypto is very similar, but the stakes can be much higher. You are not just buying a gadget, you are risking your hard-earned money. When greed whispers that a coin will go to the moon, you might ignore warning signs, you might forget your research, you just want to be part of the rocket ride. Fear works in the opposite way, but it can be just as damaging. Imagine a news headline screams about a crypto crash, your heart starts pounding, you see the price of your coins dropping. One of the biggest emotional traps in crypto trading is FOMO. This stands for fear of missing out. You see a coin's price shooting up. Everyone on social media is talking about it. They are sharing stories of huge profits. You start to feel like you are being left behind. What if this is your only chance to get rich? This feeling can be incredibly strong. It pushes you to buy, often at a very high price. You jump in without thinking, worried you will miss the boat. This is classic FOMO. It often leads to buying at the peak, just before the price starts to fall. Then there is FUD. FUD stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. This is often spread through rumors or negative news. Sometimes FUD is real. Sometimes it is created by people who want to drive prices down so they can buy cheaper. When FUD spreads, people get scared. They start to doubt their investments. They worry that everything is going to collapse. Section 4. Our brains on crypto, why we feel so much. Our brains are not naturally designed for the modern financial markets, especially not for something as volatile as crypto. For thousands of years, human brains evolved to make quick decisions for survival. See a lion? Run, find berries, eat. This quick response system helped us stay alive. It relies heavily on emotions like fear and excitement. These emotions trigger immediate actions. This system is often called the lizard brain or the amygdala's domain. It is fast, instinctive, and not very analytical. It is great for escaping immediate physical danger. Section 5. Trading smart, keeping emotions in check. So, how can you trade crypto without letting your emotions take over the driver's seat? One of the most important strategies is to have a clear trading plan. Before you even buy your first coin, decide on your goals. Why are you investing in crypto? Are you looking for long-term growth? Or are you trying to make quick profits? How much money are you willing to risk? Specifically, how much can you afford to lose without it causing you major stress or financial hardship? Write these things down. A plan acts as your anchor when emotional storms hit. It gives you a logical framework. Another key tactic is to set clear entry and exit points for your trades before you make them. This means deciding at what price you will buy a cryptocurrency. And just as importantly, at what price you will sell it. This includes setting a price to take profits if the trade goes well. It also includes setting a stop-loss order. A stop-loss automatically sells your crypto if it drops to a certain price. This helps protect you from big losses. It takes the emotion out of the decision to sell when things go bad, because the decision was already made when you were calm and rational. Section 6. The Calm Trader, Your Path to Crypto Success. The journey of a crypto trader is not just about learning charts or finding the next big coin, it is very much a journey of self-discovery and emotional discipline. The crypto market, with its dramatic ups and downs, will test your patience. It will test your nerve. It will try to provoke your deepest fears and your wildest hopes. Success in this arena often comes down to how well you can manage these internal reactions. It is about keeping a level head when everyone around you is losing theirs, either to irrational exuberance or to panicked selling. Remember that feeling emotions is not the problem. We are all human. Fear, greed, excitement, and anxiety are natural responses, especially when money is involved. The key is not to act impulsively based on these feelings. Acknowledge the emotion. Understand why you are feeling it. Then refer back to your trading plan. Let your predefined strategy guide your actions, not the fleeting feeling of the moment. This is easier said than done, of course. It takes practice. It takes conscious effort. But it is a skill that can be developed over time, just like any other. Think of it like learning to ride a bicycle. At first, you are wobbly.